For the last video, we're going to revolve this green shaded area, S, around the x-axis. So when we rotate that around the x-axis, everything will be with respect to x. And I'm also going to have a hole. So I know my formula is going to be pi big R squared minus little r squared. And it's dx. And I know my limits are going to go from 0 to a. And we already have all those values stored. They've already been written on our papers from the previous videos, previous examples. In order to figure out your big R, if you will draw a vertical strip through that section, what do you hit first, and then what do you hit on the inside of your object? So I hit this part first, and I hit the inside of my object rotation there. So my big radius is going to equal that 2 minus x to the third. Then my little radius is going to be this white space that's taken out right here. And what do I hit first? I hit tangent x. And what do I hit second? 0. So I can plug those in. I could even leave it just like this. This is fine. This is acceptable for the AP graders. When I plug this into my calculator, I'm going to scoot it up so you guys can see my calculator too. Don't forget the pi. Math 9, 0 to a, and this is why I store all those values in there, because imagine how many times you'd have to type this over and over for these problems. And to make this faster, I'm going to use y2, quantity squared, minus y1, quantity squared. So if you did not get this decimal, you might have left off the pi, or you might have forgot to square them separately. So the answer should round to 8.332.